There are many great ways to make money as a writer. You can freelance, write grants, publish a book, teach writing classes, or even work as a technical writer. Hello, fellow entrepreneurs. S.W.McCall here, and today I'm going to provide a few ideas on how to make some money with writing. Before we begin, please like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any future tips or tricks. Idea number 1, blogging. Stay with me, kids. You can make an income with blogging. Now, there are a couple different ways to do this. This can be done either through advertisements, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Now, in order to make really good money, you have to make sure that you have the traffic going through to the website. Realistically, this can be done with ease if you're an expert on a particular subject and you focus on a particular niche. Now, if you get to a point where you really master a particular niche or subject, you can actually get to the point where you can start charging people for access to some of the blogs. But once again, this all kind of goes tenfold. The more traffic you have, the more money you will make. Idea number 2, self-publish a book. You can make quite a bit of money from self-publishing a book. Now, when it comes to self-publishing, I do believe it can be done through multiple sites. However, the one that I personally chose was Amazon KDP, or Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. At least I think that's what that means. Once you actually design the book and create it from there, you can actually sell it on other websites if you want to. I believe that there's some agreement that you have to sign to allow for that. Now, the key to making money through this method is to find a book that either is super interesting, entertaining, or contains a lot of vital information. But realistically, I think the most important part of writing your own book is write about something that you're interested in. Because if you're actually enjoying the work that you're putting in there, a lot of times it will show. And when you find a group of like-minded people that enjoy the kind of work that you put out there, you'll be connecting to a unique audience. Idea number 3, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great way to make money as a writer. You see, you can sign up for affiliate marketing companies and sell their products through links that they give you. These links can be attached to videos, to scripts, to blogs, pretty much anything where writing is involved in some way, shape, or form. Even the descriptions of videos. The way that affiliate marketing works is when somebody clicks on the link to a product, you will make money off of that through like a commission. And in turn, the company also makes money off of that whenever the person that clicks through the link buys the product. Now, the key to successful affiliate marketing, when it comes to writing, is to find a company that has a product that is relevant to your writing, relevant to something that you're passionate about. A word of caution with affiliate marketing, however, you need to be very stingy with the companies that you work for with this. You need to make sure that whatever product you're marketing is one that you would personally use, is going to be a good product, and is something that's not going to screw over your readers, as it can potentially strain your relationship with them. Because at the end of the day, no matter how much money you make in the short term, it's worth losing the relationship with your viewers. Remember, treat your readers like family and friends, as this is crucial to maintaining a good relationship with them. Idea number 4, write poetry. Submitting poetry can make you money in a few different ways. You can sell poems to magazines, offer them as free downloads, which in turn can incentivize people that download it to buy from you later, or even sell them directly online. You can also offer your poetry readings as a service. Now, if you're good at networking, if you're looking for some particular sites to actually submit your poetry, a few ones that I found that you could check out are www.thesunmagazine.org/submit, https crazyhorse.cofc.edu/submit, and www.poetryfoundation.org/poetry magazine/submit. All 3 of these links will be linked in the description below, and all 3 of these links will tell you more about submitting your poetry to these particular organizations, in which case you may be able to get paid for the work that you do. Idea number 5, ghostwriting. So you can make money ghostwriting online content. This can be done through writing articles, books, blogs, even YouTube scripts. The key to making money through this method is to find a niche that you are passionate about and that also has high demand. A very popular one that you'll find on services like Fiverr is ghostwriters for books. And the reason why ghostwriters are so appealing is because it gives companies a way to get the content that they're needing, even if they don't have time to write it out and publish it themselves. So these have been 5 ways to make money with writing. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks.